Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Zura Hidayati. Saya dari Fakultas FISIP, jurusan Ilmu Administrasi Publik. Baiklah, di sini saya akan sedikit menjelaskan tentang Past Perfect Continuous. Past Perfect Continuous adalah sebuah kalimat yang berfungsi untuk menyatakan sebuah perbuatan, peristiwa atau perilaku yang telah dilakukan dan masih berlangsung di masa lalu. The past perfect continuous is a tense used to express a sentence in which it describes events that have begun and continues to occur in the past. So, if you want to tell in indicate that you did in the past, you can assert this tense. Since Peter past perfect continuous tense. There is a formula that results from combining their tenses, namely the present perfect simple past and present continuous tense. The pattern of the sentence is subject plus had plus been plus verb in plus object. The sentence pattern is a formula of past perfect continuous as 3. Here are some basis pattern of past perfect continuous tense. Number 1, positive subject plus had plus been verb in plus object. Example, aku telah mencintai Yayat sejak lama. I had been loving Yayat for a long time. 2, negative subject plus not plus been plus present participle verb in plus object. Example, dia tidak mencari pulpen itu. She had not been looking for the pen. Number 3, interrogative. Had plus subject plus been plus present participle verb in plus object. Example, had you been leaving me? Next, past perfect continuous functional. Number 1, tell an event or incident that occurred in the past and is still taking place in the past. Example, saya telah belajar di Australia. Had been studying at Australia. 2, tells a event, action, or event in the past that took place within a certain time limit. Example, dia telah menjadi murid pintar sejak masih 10 tahun. She had been being genius student since her still 10 years old. Number 3, declarant event, indicate an action that is taking place in the past. Example, aku pernah pergi ke toko buku. I had been going to the mall. 4, state an event that occurred simultaneously with other event in the past with the past perfect continuous tense. Example, she had been crying when her boy was gone. Number 5, to express a presupposition. Example, if it had been raining, I would have stayed in the office until midnight. Number 6. To state an indirect speech or indirect speech. Example, he said that her mother had been playing piano. Past perfect continuous characteristic. The characteristic of the past perfect continuous can be seen from the predicate sentence as namely had plus been plus present participle. Example number 1, I had been studying in my room. Aku sedang belajar di kamar. Number 2, I had been cooking nada. Dia sedang memasak mie. Number 3, I had been singing with loud voice. Aku telah bernyanyi dengan suara yang keras. So, what is the conclusion? Conclusion: past perfect continuous tenses is basically a senses that functional to expression action, behavior, or event that have been done and are still taking place in the past. The general formula is subject plus had plus been plus verb in plus object. Baiklah, itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon